Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to our channel, and thanks for logging on. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and subscribe to our YouTube channel right here at Watchbox Reviews. I would really appreciate it, and I promise to update daily. If you love this watch, you could see it, and you can purchase it on our website, thewatchbox.com. And today we are discussing the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Date domed bezel stainless steel reference 115200. This watch features a scrambled serial number, so post-2010, and a lovely cushion-style oyster case, wearing well on my 16cm circumference wrist. Mechanically identical to the Datejust, it's just a smaller case, 34mm versus 36, and this 34, because of the cushion-like profile of the oyster case, looks larger. It looks more like a 35 or a 36, and the 36 looks more like a 37 or a 38. So this watch has impressive presence on my 16cm circumference wrist, and because of its dimensions, 34mm by 42 lug-to-lug, 43.5 if you add the solid end links, and only 11.9mm thick, I can recommend this watch for use with dress cuffs and on a wrist as small as 13 centimeters in circumference. The spacing between the lugs is 19mm if you wish to accessorize, but it's hard to say no to a nicely finished, full-featured Rolex Oyster bracelet. Now, pulling this one off the wrist, we take a look at some of the detailing. And you can see the Rolex Oyster with satin finished shoulder links, polished centers. There's a differential sizing of the links, small on the outside, large down the center. You can see the outer faces are polished. All removable links are fixed by screws. You can also appreciate that underneath there are plenty of gaps to vent the wrist on a hot day, so this is very much a sports watch bracelet. You can see that you get the same features that you get on the Datejust, including the Easy Link adjustment system. It's basically 5mm of adjustment without any need to remove links or add links. And then you can see internally the clasp features a few drilled divots that you can use in conjunction with a strap tool to change the anchoring point of the bracelet inside of the clasp. You can see this is not a entry-level Datejust. This is just a smaller version of the Datejust. Everything fully finished internally with a raised rather than embossed Rolex crown and a lift lock beak and horn system. You lift it to unlock it. It is not a friction fit system. It's more sophisticated than that. You can see the screw down crown, a Rolex twin lock stainless steel. The little slash means you're looking at a twin lock in steel. Screwed down case back underneath, same movement that you would get in the Datejust. Rolex manufacturer caliber 3135, automatic winding, 28,800 vibrations per hour, 31 joules, and of course it has both stop seconds and a quick set date. It's also shock resistant with a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance. It includes a Parachrom blue anti-magnetic hairspring, and that hairspring is crafted by hand to create a Breguet overcoil structure, which helps the watch to keep excellent time in any orientation with respect to gravity, the better to help it earn a COSC chronometer certification. The dial side features a lush, glossy black lacquer base, a white gold applique Rolex 5-point coronet, white gold indices, fully loomed, and white gold hands at center. No nonsense white on black printing, an easy watch to read day or night. You've got the Cyclops Eye magnifier for the date, and again, as I stated, you have both a quick set for the date and a stop seconds function for setting the watch precisely to a reference time. A good looking watch and a wonderful way to wear essentially all of the features and finish of a Datejust in a slightly more modest or traditionally sized package. You can see and you can purchase this 904L highly anti-corrosive Rolex stainless steel 115200, the Oyster Perpetual Date. See it and make it yours on the Watchbox. And we're back with the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Date, 34mm but with full-size lume.